Hi folks, we have here one of a kind. This is an oldie but goodie. This is a Jet 7 power chair. This is a chair made by Pride Mobility. As I said, they've had many chairs over the years. This is called a Jet 7. The reason I have this chair here, because I used to sell this chair several years ago. We found this one unused. It has 1 hour of usage on this chair. If you're looking for a really small power chair for inside your house with the best turning radius, the shortest turning radius possible, but you also want a large seat, okay? This is the type of chair you should be looking for. This chair is only 23 inches wide. It's only like really short in length. Look at the turning radius on this chair. So if you see how short it is, and this chair has full-size batteries. Look at this. This is a real small turning radius, and also this is a captain seat that's 20 by 20. So it's a large seat on a real small, but it has the big battery, the big motor. The frame is just small, but it has the big motor, the big batteries, the big seat, but the frame is real compact and small. It also has a safety belt. The footplate does flip up when you exit. It has tip wheels in front, so if you ever tip forward, they'll touch the ground. If I had to push this chair in neutral, there's two levers. You turn it out, this way, out, and now your chair is in neutral and you can roll your chair. Actually, you should turn the power off first. You see how easy it rolls. When you're done, turn the levers forward. They're right here. They're hard to see in the video, but they're right there in the front, right under the seat. Okay, now the chair's back in gear. Now we turn the power back on. You can see the little tip wheels in front. You can see this is a captain seat, so this is a really one of the best seats they ever made. This seat will fold forward, so if you transport this chair, your high point is going to be about 34, 35 inches. Let me give you that exact number. So your high point to the top of the seat is going to be about, I'm sorry folks, 31 inches. If you take the headrest off, 31 inches to the top of the seat right there. So this is your captain seat fold forward, and this is your seat all the way backward. This is as far back as it would go. And this would be driving position. And this arm here, we'll just tighten it up so it doesn't move on us. The arms flip up. They also can go up. There's an adjustment here. We can make the arms go up. And you can also make the arms go out, okay? The chair has its own manuals, still from the factory. Everything's here from the factory. There's a cord back here. This chair has a built-in charger, folks. So this chair right here, if you take this cord right here, the charger is not on the cord, it's inside the chair. So you take the cord, plug the cord in the back right here, plug this in the wall, and the chair will charge automatically because the charger is built inside of here. What some people do is they run the cord under here and they leave the cord there so they can just plug it in the morning. Instead of having to go behind the chair, they leave it all plugged in like this, and they leave the cord right here so they can have access to the cord right here without having to go behind the chair. Okay, so that's just a suggestion. So this chair has a built-in charger in the back of the chair. So the only thing we did to this chair, we replaced the back tires. These are the original tires. You can see these are a little shinier. The reason we replaced the back tires, they were cracked from sitting, okay? So these are brand new tires, but everything else is good. So again, this is a Jet 7 power chair. Total width is about 23 inches, so it's real narrow to go through doors, but you have a big seat, 20 by 20 seat, captain seat. You have solid tires all the way around. You have a really short turning radius. The footplate does not move forward on this chair, so if you're buying this chair, we can't make it go forward because that's the way it's built. It's built to be short, okay? So if you're looking for a really nice power chair, very dependable with 1 hour, this is a really nice oldie but goodie power chair. This is the Jet 7 power chair, the oldie but goodie. Top speed is about 4.5 miles an hour, so it's not a really fast chair. It's really, you can use it inside, you can use it outside. If you're going to use it outside, it's not really made for heavy duty yards. You know, it's made for sidewalks, cut grass. So this is the Jet 7. It has a nice 20 by 20 seat. It has that small turning radius, as you can see, real small, compact in your house. So if you need something with a large seat, but you want to have a small power chair, but you want the big motors and the big batteries, it has all that. It just has a smaller frame. It's really a smooth power chair. You can't get in trouble with this one, so if you're looking for a loved one and you want to get in something that's easy to drive, not too much acceleration, this is a good one. We'll go in the grass with it. As I said, it has no problem in the grass because it has the big motors. What I mean by big motors, it has the same motors as a big frame chair. So this is the Jet 7 with the captain seat, solid tires all the way around, real small, 23 inches wide, real short in length. Perfect for someone who has a small house and they need to maneuver in tight areas. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you and have a wonderful day.